Hi, this is Tiffany with Extra Mile Travel with your May travel newsletter. Norwegian Cruise Line is offering a special deal in May when you book and sail this summer with Norwegian Cruise Line in one of their newest ships. You get a free 3 or 4 night cruise to the Bahamas this fall or winter. Royal Caribbean is offering a buy one get one free passenger in your cabin if you sail from January 1st, 2015 through April 30th, 2016. Classic Vacations is offering a palace getaway to Mexico. Kids eat, sleep, and have all the entertainment for free. Pleasant Holidays is offering a $500 air credit when you book a complete Hawaiian vacation with them. Please call me at 619-251-0837 or visit me at www.extra-mile-travel.com. Please like me on Facebook at eMileTravel, and don't forget to sign up for my sweepstakes to enter a $100 gift card from restaurant.com. Thanks, and see you in June.